What's the crack? Oh. I was trying to do the cool intro there, like, you know, the proper YouTubers have the camera on their desk and they slide in their swivel chair looking class, but I don't have a swivel chair, so I just had to put a 5-gallon drum on a trolley jack. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Quick update on the Zetor. Not much done with it, still waiting for parts, thanks to UPS. I did get bearings, gaskets, seals, that kind of stuff for it. Just waiting for the main 40k gearbox bits now. Yeah, I have it all ripped. I had a video of me ripping it and I accidentally deleted it, so it'll you won't get to see that, but it'll all be put back together in the next video anyway, hopefully next week. So, to keep things ticking over on the channel, I have a quick video this week for the Ford men, an 8210, belonged to a friend of mine. He bought it a few months ago, came in from Denmark, lovely original fucking tractor. I got to take it for a quick spin and get a look around it. He didn't want to talk on video or anything like that, so it's not too in-depth, it's just a quick look around it. But a lovely tractor, have a look, see what you think. Have you cornered now? You tell us what's wrong.
Get out the fuck.